You're sick, like actually sick. Stuck in bed, blanket pulled up to your chin. Someone brings you soup. It smells incredible. You look at it. And your stomach says absolutely not. Not even your favorite snack sounds good right now. Your body has basically closed for business. And here's the wild part. This isn't a new thing. For 300,000 years, humans have done this exact thing. Every culture, every continent, every century. Get sick and your appetite just disappears. Like someone flipped a switch in your brain. So here's the question nobody really asks. You're sick. You need energy to fight whatever's attacking you. So why would your body cut off the fuel? That seems backwards, right? Turns out it's not a glitch. It might be one of the smartest things your body does. Your body has a setting most people don't even know about. Scientists call it sickness behavior. Basically, your body's emergency mode. Here's how it kicks in. A virus or bacteria gets inside you. Your immune system spots it instantly. And it sends out chemical messengers. Tiny molecules called cytokines. They travel straight to your brain. And they deliver one message. We're under attack. Shut everything else down. Suddenly, you're exhausted. You don't want to talk to anyone. Your temperature climbs. And your appetite just turns off. None of that is random. It's one coordinated shutdown. Here's the part that blows people's minds. Digestion is expensive. Like really expensive. Every time you eat a meal, your body sends a huge amount of blood straight to your gut. It powers up your stomach, your intestines, your liver. All at once. Now add a fever into the mix. Just 1 extra degree of body heat. Burns up to 13% more energy. Your body is basically running 2 furnaces at once, fighting the infection. And trying to digest a sandwich, something has to give. And your body picks the fight it physically can't skip. And here's a wild detail. This isn't just a human thing. Watch a sick dog. It stops eating. It finds a corner. And it just lies there. Cats do the same thing. Which, for cats, is basically just a slightly more dramatic Tuesday. Birds, mice, even fish. Across the entire animal kingdom, getting sick means the same 3 things. Stop eating. Stop moving. Hide. That's not a coincidence. That's hundreds of millions of years of evolution agreeing on one strategy. Now zoom in on your ancestors specifically. Way before pharmacies. Before hospitals. Before literally any medicine that actually worked. If they got sick, there was no antibiotic waiting for them. There was exactly one treatment available. Their own immune system. And that system needed 2 things to win. Energy and rest. So losing your appetite did 2 jobs at once. It freed up energy for the immune system. And it forced you to actually lie down. No hunting. No gathering. No walking 10 miles for food. Just stop. For early humans, that forced do-nothing phase wasn't laziness. It was survival. Okay? But here's where it gets weird. You've probably heard this saying. Feed a cold, starve a fever. People have been repeating that for centuries. Like it's just an old wives' tale. But scientists actually decided to test it. And what they found was kind of insane. They studied what happens when the body fasts during an infection. But here's the twist. It depends entirely on what's actually attacking you. Bacteria and viruses fuel themselves completely differently. Bacteria love sugar. Glucose is basically their favorite food. Viruses don't work that way. They hijack your own cells instead. So in the study, when the infection was bacterial, fasting completely was actually dangerous. The body needed that fuel to survive the fight. But when the infection was viral, Eating sugar made things worse. Fasting actually helped the body survive. Read that again? No cap. Whether food helps you or hurts you depends on what's literally inside you right now. And there's another layer to this. Nausea isn't random either. Think about it. When you're already sick, your immune system is busy. It's basically running on low battery. Now imagine eating something slightly off. A second infection on top of the first one. In the wild, that combo could actually kill you. So your body adds extra caution. Anything questionable? Suddenly, your stomach turns. Nausea is basically a bodyguard standing at the door of your gut. Okay, but remember that soup from the beginning? The one you couldn't even look at? Here's the thing. Broth-based soups are kind of the exception. They're basically pre-digested. Mostly water, a little salt, some easy nutrients. Your gut barely has to do any work. So even when your appetite is at zero, your body sometimes still says yes to broth. Turns out, chicken soup wasn't just your grandma being nice. But here's where modern life gets in the way. You need to eat something. You need your strength. Sound familiar? We're taught that not eating means something's wrong. That hunger is always good and no hunger is bad. But your body might just be busy, running a 300,000-year-old emergency protocol. One that's older than agriculture. Older than fire, probably. And it's still running right now inside you. So next time you're sick, and the soup just sits there going cold, that's not your body failing you. That's not weakness. That's 300,000 years of survival code running quietly in the background. Your appetite isn't broken. It's just busy fighting for you. And maybe, just maybe, listening to your body is the oldest medicine there ever was.